Thomas Jefferson was a great leader for the United States of America. Jefferson liked to invent useful inventions that helped everyday life. Jefferson also modeled his house, the Monticello. This was one of his 3 houses that he had. His favorite room was the dome room, because there were no distractions, and he could think. Here's Jefferson's statue in D.C. Jefferson was president at the time that Lewis and Clark explored the New Lands, which was Louisiana. Jefferson is one of the main reasons that Louisiana is a great state. Jefferson was one of the people that signed the Declaration of Independence. We will always remember Jefferson and probably remember him as the best president ever in office in the United States of America. Jefferson changed this nation, and we will remember that.